The destruction of the Kakhovka hydroelectric power plant on June 6th would not have happened if Russia had not started its illegal war of aggression against Ukraine. This ecological and environmental catastrophe will take years to repair, and those responsible need to be held to account for this and as well for other war crimes in connection with the Russian aggression.
To date, 14 member states and Union Civil Protection Mechanism participating states have offered assistance to Ukraine. This includes 76 boats, over 300 water pumps, and over 160,000 shelter items. Ukraine will need additional support this year, in particular for its rapid recovery needs. The rapid damage and needs assessment has estimated its immediate rapid recovery needs for 2023 at $14 billion. It is important that the EU sends a message to Ukraine and our international partners that the EU is ready to ensure sustainable and predictable financial support beyond 2023. The EU will play a special role for Ukraine's reconstruction, and reconstruction efforts need to go hand in hand with reforms to build a modern and resilient country that is resolutely turned towards the EU.
The EPP expects that the upcoming Vilnius and Washington summits pave the way to extend an invitation to Ukraine to join NATO, and that the accession process will start after the war is over and be finalized as soon as possible.
Strong European support will be key for the reconstruction and a meaningful recovery process. And for that, we need to find the money. Billions of euros will be needed, and we should certainly start sooner than later by creating the legal basis, Mr. Vice President, to finally use the money confiscated from Putin and his regime for this reconstruction of Ukraine.
Ukraine and its people are heroically fighting for their sovereign future. They also defend our shared values and freedoms. In resisting Russia's destructive aggression, Ukraine needs not only the help of all of us, but also our backing to become a full member of the Euro-Atlantic community, a deserving member of the European Union and NATO.
Sie haben den Damm gesprengt, weil Sie auf dem Rückzug sind. Ihr einziges Ziel ist es nun, verbrannte Erde zu hinterlassen. Das ist der Anfang vom Ende. Wenn Ihre Verteidigungslinien bröckeln, wird auch Putins Regime zusammenbrechen. Russland wird für alle Verbrechen, diesen Ökozid eingeschlossen, zur Rechenschaft gezogen werden. In der Zwischenzeit wird sich auch die Ukraine nicht nur durchsetzen, sondern auch wieder aufblühen. Und das nicht nur, weil gestern die Fußballnationalmannschaft fast gegen Deutschland gewonnen hat. Die Ukraine wird sicher ein Gewinn für die EU und die NATO sein. Dieser Tag wird kommen.
Minister, Vice President.